Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about something new, something different, and that gives me a lot of confidence. I want you to stay until the end because there is a lot of information. 2 days ago I showed you a copy trading account, and that's the type of opportunity where we can get faster results, but also it's an aggressive option. Today I want to take you to the other side of the room. To me, this is something different, is something more stable, more professional, and I think it's built for a long run. It's a PAMM account. If you don't know what is a PAMM account, it's like a mutual fund where all the investors are depositing their capital, and a master trader will work with that capital. This PAMM account has been running since June this year. That's almost 6 months of steady results. It goes by the name of Multyncome. After my research, I would say it's solid, no random spikes. This is not gambling, it's real trading. They are showing a steady progress for months. And if you are looking for a strategy that is being consistent and disciplined, then stay with me until the end because I'm going to show you all the information. I personally joined on December 4th. I've been testing it with my own money. So far, we are very close to the 1% daily. There is a performance fee, and we will talk about that later. But even after the fee, the net results daily, thanks to the compounding option, are giving very nice returns. This is not a martingale, it's not a grid bot, it's no crazy lot sizes, not emotional triggers that can liquidate the account. They simply have a steady and controlled execution. This PAMM account is inside of a broker that we all know, Lirunex, a platform with more than 9 years in the industry. And this is another reason why I feel comfortable bringing it to you, because we have stability, transparency, and long-term thinking. Before we go deeper, and like always, I need to remind you, trading is risky, nothing is guaranteed. I'm not a financial advisor. If you think this is something you want to add to your list, make sure you do your own due diligence, your own research. Use capital you are comfortable putting it to work. And well, I hope I can give you all the details you're going to need to make the right decision. I'm going to show you the results, the potential returns, the compounding effect. We're going to talk about the fees. I'm going to show you how to activate it. And if you want to follow my future updates, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. Come and join our Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. Alright, so this is Multyncome Basic. They got started in June 2025. Since then, they've been having a very interesting evolution. 1,670 profitable trades, 481 losses, trading activity of over 3,000%, and a total growth sitting today in 68%. The latest trade was an hour ago, and the average holding time is 1 day. Sometimes they close the trades after a couple of minutes. And if we check the growth and equity chart, you can see they don't have crazy spikes. Well, here the account was under pressure with a couple of drawdowns, but there are no losses because it seems like they close on profit. Well, we don't have much information here in the main page, but I want to show you my results. I started with 5,000 cents. Cent accounts are perfect for those kind of strategies that are opening thousands of lots in 1 day, but we are not opening full lots, only fractions of a lot, and that's how you can also manage the risk. And if you're starting with a small capital, well, the Cent account is recommended anyways. So I started with 5,000 cents. Today my balance is sitting in 5,145 cents. So my net profit is 146.90 cents in just 3 days, Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. So during these 3 days, we have a total growth of 2.91%. And if we divide it into those 3 days, that's where this 0.97% is coming from. If we continue like this, the total returns per week, it could be around 5%. And a trading month, 22 days, it could give us a 21.41% per month, which is not bad. But this is before fees. They have a performance fee of 35% monthly, but even with this fee, the returns remain solid. And remember that this is doing compounding, so our gains are growing every single day automatically. The max drawdown, according to my results, it was between 5% to 12%, which is not bad. Risk level, I put it here medium. I don't think there is any low risk option in the financial space, but what I can tell you is that this account is showing strong returns, excellent performance, no martingale, no grid bot, no explosive returns that usually end up in explosive losses. So no stress, no big swings. This is different. It gives me more tranquility and still powerful returns. It's super easy to get started. I will show you that in a second. And the other good thing is that we can get started with only 100 cents, which is fantastic. Anyone can test it with a small deposit. And withdrawals, well, all of this is through Lirunex. We have full access to our capital at any time, and withdrawals will arrive within the first 24 hours, sometimes after a couple of minutes. I've been using this broker for almost 2 years, and I never have problems with withdrawals. Okay, the instruments. They are mainly trading the British pound, USD, and Euro USD. Actually, those two only, which is also really good. Diversification. We are following other options that are mainly doing gold or crypto. And those instruments are super volatile, but these ones have a different approach, which is nice. Now, let me show you how to get started here. First thing you need to do is open an account in Lirunex. All you need to do is click the first link down below the description of this video. Quick tip, if you're in the US and you don't find USA in the list of countries, don't worry, you can select Panama and continue with all the steps. Now, once you are inside the back office, you need to perform a KYC. Click right here on top where it says verify and follow the steps. After your KYC is approved, now you need to deposit just by clicking in this button. Very simple process. You type the amount that you want to deposit, select the network. Here you will receive an address. And after the transaction is completed, you go back to the back office and you will see your deposit there after a couple of minutes. Now inside Lirunex, we have the social trading, and there is where you're going to find the copy trading accounts. That here in Fund Manager is where we're going to find the PAMM accounts. And that's exactly where we are going to click. And then we are going to look for the Multyncome Basic. Click in subscribe. Then you're going to land in this panel that I show you already. You can check all the data, the growth, the balance and equity. And right in the bottom of the page, you will find a button that says subscribe. And you see right here says minimum investment 100 USC. So after we click subscribe, we're going to have this pop up. You will see your balance. Right here, you need to type the amount you want to deposit inside this account. As an example, let's say I want to deposit 200. So I have to add 2 zeros at the end. And here you can see 20,000 USC equals 200 USD. Click in confirm and submit. It's super simple. We don't need to create extra accounts like we used to do with copy trading. We simply wait for the confirmation by email and your deposit is going to be active. Now, let's say you want to monitor your results. What you need to do is come back to Fund Manager, then click right here where it says Investor Accounts. You will find there the account that you subscribe to. You will see the unrealized profit and loss. For example, here it says minus 3.15. There is a very small drawdown going on, but that is not a loss. It's simply unrealized. The trade is still open. Here in realize, you will see the total gains or total losses. And in the balance, you will see your total deposit plus your gains. But if you want more information, you want to see the transactions, every single trade, what you can do is click in this title right there. It will give you more details about the account. You can click in top up. This is where you can add extra capital to your strategy. And right here below, you can see all your deposits. If you go to withdraw, this is where you can extract money from this account, from this strategy. This is the internal transfer where you are going to send profits to your main account balance. Now, if you want to perform a withdrawal from Lirunex to an external wallet, You have to do that from here in finance. And back here to this panel, if you go to trade records, here is where you can see all the trades, the instruments, the lot size, the gains, and you can download the whole file just by clicking here in this option. So that's the full breakdown of my testing, my experience, and the results from this PAMM. I hope this helps you to make a smart decision. If you found some value here, I will appreciate your likes, I will appreciate your comments. If you want to see my future updates, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Bye.